This is just show an interesting mechanical property of the single modular version of the first fully proven, or first fully provable. Observe that this is about as close to perpetual motion as something might get in terms of proportions. I mean, up until you actually have a perpetual motion machine. You can see if the marble were a little bit taller, it might have an advantage on the beginning of this lever unit that automatically moves it to the other end with advantage on the way back almost. So it's a pretty interesting arrangement, very interesting mechanical property. It almost seems to operate already, but if the marble were heavier using the same ratios, it would be pretty interesting the advantage it might have on the beginning part of the lever where it's applied on the left. Seems to sort of have an advantage in two directions almost.